Welcome back to Foxify's Build for Success series by FoxEcom. Today, we're tackling the exciting world of furniture e-commerce. Let's see how we can use Foxify Page Builder to create a product page that convert, inspired by the stunning work of Masaya Company. Their handcrafted, sustainable pieces elevate any space. But what truly sets them apart is their exceptional product page design. These pages are immersive experiences that tell a story and entice customers to imagine these pieces in their own homes. The good news is that you can achieve the same level of sophistication with the help of the amazing Foxify Page Builder app for Shopify. You can use the timestamps to navigate through the video.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now, let's get back to creating furniture product pages using the power of Foxify. Since they are using fonts that are not in the Google library, we will start with uploading the custom fonts to Foxify. From the Foxify dashboard, navigate to Settings, then select Your Library section. In the Uploaded Fonts section, we will upload the font files we have prepared. Our custom fonts are ready. Now we will predefine some button design and typography in the Global Styles section. With Global Styles, you can create a cohesive brand identity across your entire store with just a few clicks. Say goodbye to repetitive styling. To learn more about this powerful feature that can transform your design workflow, check out our video for it. Right, now we will create a product page. There are different ready-made templates you can use for a quick start and inspiration. Here we will create a blank template. Give the page a name and select the page layout. Let's customize our product page. We will start with the product information section that's showcasing product images along with the product details like variants, specs, etc., and a call to action button. Let's remove blocks in the preset that we won't use and adjust some font size. For the variant swatches, I will use Foxify's extension to showcase the custom images for the product variants. By using Foxify's Product Options Swatches extension, you can transform your product pages into clear and engaging experiences for your customers. This leads to a smoother shopping journey, increased sales, and a stronger brand image. Not sure how to set these up? Check out our dedicated tutorial for it. You can see our swatches are in square. And also there are differences in the default product media design versus the site we are inspired today. Therefore, we will add some custom code to customize how the elements look to make it similar. You can find all the custom code we use for crafting this page linked in the description below. Let's continue with our section. We will hide the Buy Now button and show the Add to Cart button only for this. And adding some text to my product information section. Insert the content and styling them the way you like with Foxify's powerful Styles tab settings. You can easily change the font color, background color, border radius value, padding, and so on. Do the same with the below list items block and collapsible rows. Overall, you can find similar pattern across the page design. For example, a combination of image and copy, or of two images side by side. For this, we will use Foxify's custom content section with the layout of 2-column. Add the needed elements to this section and adjusting their spacing for the results we desire. After all, trial and error is a great method for experimenting with new designs and inspiration. Insert a page URL or select a Shopify page you want to link your button to. We will also set a background color for this section. On to our next section that displays the product specs, we will use a multi-column section. This section allows the setting across the same elements of the grid column to be sync, resulting in the consistency in design. You will see similar patterns to this in some other sections later. Here we set the content to be left aligned. Give the section a background color and adjust its spacing. For the three next section below, as we have mentioned earlier, they are having similar design of 2 columns. As such, we will use the custom section for them, like the one we do earlier with an image and copy. And here's what we got. The vertical space between sections can be adjusted in the theme settings, layout settings. After that, we are adding a text section below. Move on to the next section that showcases reviews from customers. This review widget is a third-party app feature, Looksas. This app, among many other apps of different categories, are integrated in Foxify's App Extensions feature. This feature allows you to seamlessly integrate various third-party apps with your Foxify page builder, unlocking a vast library of functionalities. We have Looks Review app already installed in our Shopify app and Foxify's App Extensions. Now all we need to do is to add the app widget to where we want. Let's add a review widget to our page here. And also the star rating on the product information above. Appearance of the app features will depend on your third-party app configuration. The two next sections will be pretty similar to the previous section we have with product specs displayed in multi-column design. So we will quickly have them crafted. Then after that, we will do a section that displays suggested products. To build this section, you can either use a featured collection section or a hand-picked products section in Foxify. In this case, we are using a featured collection. Select a collection for your product grid. Adjust the number of products per row and enable the carousel effect on desktop so visitors can slide to see more products. For the product card settings, you can find it in your theme settings, product card. We will also disable our quick view feature in this case. However, this could be a great add-on for your visitors to have a quick look on other products without going to the product detail pages. The navigation symbols of the site we want to replicate today are a bit different from our built-in section. Therefore, we will also add a small custom code to style it. If you want to see the custom code we use for creating our page, check out the resource linked in the description below. We almost finish our page. Again, for the last section, we will use a multi-column section to craft this part. Each column includes an image, a heading, and a description. Add a border to this section as well to make it stand out. Once you have done, review and fine-tune your page if needed. Remember to check your template on other screen devices as well. Now our page is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify and e-commerce tips to help you take your store to the next level. Thank you for watching.